ninyo rito?
Ami, ang tanong ko po ay para kay Mayor Duterte. Medyo lumayo po tayo sandali sa mainit na topic. Nag-commit po ang Pilipinas sa United Nations na babawasan natin ang polusyon ng hanggang 70% by 2030. Pero inaprubahan ni Pangulong Aquino ang maraming coal-fired plants para sa energy security natin. Paano nating matutupad ang ating commitment sa UN habang tumataas naman ang dependence natin sa coal para sa ating energy security?
I will answer you with this. Tayo, ma'am, we are told to comply. But the industrial countries does not. We only contribute 0.0 something to the carbon footprint in this planet. Sila ang ayaw. Tayo, they bamboozle us to obey. It's not fair. I'm not saying that coal is right, but I'm just saying itong United Nations and these industrial countries are really hypocrites. Gusto nila, bayaran nila tayo. Or they supply us with hydro, solar. Mahal yan. Ngayon kung idinadamay nila tayo at sila naman ayaw maniwala, and yet ito United Nations hypocrisy because they cannot enforce sanctions against those who are violating. Every day they're sprouting up so many coal-fired power plants. We only contribute, I said, to the footprints, carbon footprints, so very little. And yet, we are a growing country. We need to industrialize. We need energy. Sabi ko, susunod tayo. But you know, even climate change does not have to be discussed. It is here. El Nino is the climate change. Kaya na yung mga lupa, mga baski saan-saan, they're cracking up, even in Luzon. That's pollution. Yung climate change is already there. So what we should do is to do remedial measures. Pero wag lang tayo. Because we have noticed that those who are really into heavy industries are the first world countries. That is my objection to them.
Secretary,
Pure hypocrisy.
Secretary,
Ano tayo tapos mag-camera and nag-yaw-yaw about, and yet they cannot even suggest to their own government to stop it. Bala na, sobra na yan.